College Biro Session Part, tem tang nek page ikan notice sabide buka result jong written examination jong ki post bapero apply po Kamelia State Pollution Control Board advertise white number Mpscb under the office of the Kamelia State Pollution Control Board Shillong that was held on 26 April and 3rd May 2025 respectively is hereby declared and the candidate bearing the following rule number post wise are hereby eligible for the practical test and personal interview as applicable. Junior accountant kini number ke bala pas 215268452 terter hadu 1532 dan lower division accountant kini ke pas ya lai saus sanru nya prak lai spok de ak lai saus sangaru kini ke prakat prangur ke pas te second mau one check rule number jamate data entry operator to pra lai san kan depo spar san spar nyo spar lai penreu ke pas technical assistant Reu arpsau terter du nyo dan typist grade 3 hang tu ya bun nomor rupa khandai terter hadu wan nyo la nyo te secek nomor jadi gitu ke balik to exam namta kaneka pus sapo Mekla State Pollution Control Board terhadap airu katarik practical test and personal interview for the above indicated post has been scheduled as below. Practical test anapta ka technical assistant kan day 4 June kan RBJ electronic department St. Lemon College lower division accountant computer science department St. Anthony College kaneru re 5 June dan data entry operator 5 June computer science department St. Anthony College 4BJ hadu KWJ dan typist grade 3 5 June kadwe du RBJ po St. Anthony College dan junior accountant dan kamera poi derek bai haka personal interview kan debe 100 June 10 po office jangka Mekla State Pollution Control Board Lumpangat Shillong yang don biang tenang don biang sakane pada estimation post wise practical kane bela ka jama result of the estimation of the proposed advertised wide Mekla State Pollution Control Board that was held on 3rd May and 10 May respectively is hereby declared. And the Jong Mpscb roll number 27 and 30 pass assistant environmental engineer at stand number 5 10 28 hadu standard art check bah gitu giba thon ini assistant law officer tang langut apply suppose opera dan ka practical test interview tarik ada Mpscb dari June apo central laboratory jong ka Mpscb hi lumpangan dan assistant environmental engineer assistant law officer don practical test direct personal interview kan dai khalai tari June 10 baje sejrong Chitmang Committee Hall 3 Additional Secretariat Building Shillong tangine hi jeng tip khulish bun